Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to fix 500 internal server error, only way. Check error logs first and note file paths and timestamps, then reproduce the error in a safe environment. Inspect recently deployed code, plugins, or modules and disable them one at a time. Verify file permissions, PHP memory limits, and configuration syntax. Restart services after changes and test requests. If needed, revert to a known good backup while you investigate further. Open your web server and application logs and look for stack traces or uncaught exceptions that mention 500 or fatal. Reproduce the failing request with curl or browser dev tools so you can capture request headers, payloads, and response timing. Compare a successful request versus the failing one to identify differences in input, authentication, or server environment. Small changes often reveal the culprit, like a missing dependency or bad configuration setting. If this guide is helping you, please subscribe and like so I can keep sharing useful fixes and tips. Quick recommendation: I love the cozy durability of darn tough socks during long troubleshooting sessions. They save my feet and my focus. Check the description for the link and other deals if you want to pick up a pair. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Common causes of 500 errors include exhausted PHP memory, misconfigured permissions, and syntax issues in code or config files. Adjust PHP memory limit or max execution time if logs show out-of-memory errors. Ensure files and folders are owned by the web user and have safe permission bits. Install or restore any missing dependencies and lint configuration files for syntax errors. After fixes, reload or restart your service and retest the failing endpoint.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.